Hello, Kumusta? Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to Hazel's Emporium, and to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome. Thank you for coming to my pram, and please consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video like this. So for today's video, everyone, this is very obvious in my title. Tote, that are you company? A new company reached out to me, and thank you so much for your generosity. They give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime from this product in exchange to my video, which I will be doing an unboxing, and I will try this outdoor. So a little bit information about Tote, that are you company. This is another replica store online in the market, everyone. They're selling lots of luxury replica bags, products, I would say, shoes, accessories, clothes, and a lot of stuff. So these are some of your eyesight, so you can have an idea what they are selling. So here are some of the samples, and I will put all the informations below in this video. All their informations, you can reach them out. Okay, please do. And holidays are coming, guys. Christmas, Boxing Day, and a lot it's a holiday season now, so you deserve a gift to yourself. It's about time for you to give a gift to yourself. And in my own opinion, I don't really mind, as I've said this always all the time, I don't mind buying replica product because I am practical. This is very economical, a little bit savings to our pocket. It helps a lot to buy something that we can put on our table, you know what I'm saying? So it's not too bad, for my own opinion, buying replica store online. I'm just being practical here, and that's all my opinion. Okay, it's all up to you to decide at the end of the day. So let's begin unboxing to this. Please see me more in my unboxing and in my try on. Thank you so much. Can't wait to open this. Please careful when using sharp objects. Okay, thank you. Oh, look at this. I got one ad. Gucci. Let me see what is inside. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. Thank you so much, Tote. Are you for that? Oh, oops. Oh, an earrings. Oh, wow. Very nice. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. I will keep looking. And I got all the paperwork here. Thank you so much for that. So let's proceed. Okay. Ta-da! What a pretty. Oh my goodness. I get another Gucci. Ooh, look at this huge space inside. So I got one pocket and another zipper. Hear that? Hear that, guys? Zipper slide perfectly. And oh my god, it smells so good. I have one Gucci here. And oh my goodness, this is very pretty, gorgeous. Take this off. I love this. This is really good for shopping. Well, holidays are coming, so you can use this while on shopping, you know. And it's about time for you to give a gift for yourself. You can go check Tote, that are you. I will put all the information below in this video. And so we will double check the stitches. Looks like everything is in line. I don't see any out of line stitches. Gorgeous. Oh my. So, looks so classy though. I love this. Huh. This is beautiful, isn't it? And so, we will try this first. The earrings. Okay. Well, let's replace what I've got here now. Oh, look at that. How pretty. Isn't it? Oh, I love this. Thank you so much for this, Dodo too. That are you? I am so in love with my new earrings. Oh, look at that. What a fashion. I love it. Anyway, so we'll proceed, okay? I was cut from this. So, hair. Cute, hey? I love this, you know, when going to shopping. There are lots big rooms though. And I love the material very much. Oh my god, guys. The material, well, in my own opinion, doesn't feels like replica. Okay, my own opinion. Although this is a replica bag and this is, oh my goodness. I'm speechless. I just love this. Here, okay. So, oh, that's, the material is heavy duty inside. Stitches are pretty much in line. And there is one zipper here. And see here, the zipper slides so perfectly and smoothly. And there is one pocket here too, like inside has two pockets, and you can lock this up. Sorry, here, magnetic lock, huh? Hear that? So that's the thing. I like this. I love this because this has a lock. Okay. Beautiful, huh? It's pretty though. I love this. Thank you so much, Tote, for this. I super love this. I can't wait to try this on. I'm thinking, so well, I will surprise you all guys to where am I going to try this on. Okay? We will check closely the stitches, what I'm saying. Everything is in line. Okay? Stitches are in line. Super. I don't see out of line stitches. Look at that. Beautiful. So beautiful. This is really perfect for shopping. You know, small stuff put in after paying. So for me, this is ideal for good to go, like hang out with friends, and good for shopping too. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my try on outdoor. Thank you very much.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah,